Welcome back to Garage Matters. If you own an older vehicle, give me 5 minutes of your time to show you how to make your vehicle relevant in 2024. We'll go from this to this. Now the reason why we swapped over to these LED bulbs is because they burn brighter. They burn at 6500K. That's gonna help give us that cool white light to increase nighttime visibility. Not only that, but they consume less electricity and they'll help make the vehicle look newer. Now on these 4Runners, you're gonna come around to the back side of this headlight. Inside the engine bay, you're gonna look for this white covering piece right here. It'll be the same on the left and right side for the low beams. All you're gonna do, turn it counterclockwise, pull this plastic covering piece off. Now once you get that plastic piece removed, it's gonna expose the bulb assembly. All you're gonna do is stick your hand in here, turn the bulb assembly counterclockwise, and then pull it out. Now I'm filming this with one hand and using the other hand to try to get this harness back onto this new LED bulb. Once you got it lined up, you're just gonna press it down, clip it on. This bulb's ready to go. All we're gonna do now is stick it back into the bulb socket and turn it clockwise. Once that's in, you're gonna go ahead and take this covering piece, put it back on, and just turn it clockwise. Now with the low beams done, we'll go ahead and hit up the fog lights. I'll show you how it's done. It's really easy on this car. All you gotta do is crawl around to the back side of the bumper from underneath the vehicle. Come up like this. Now the wiring harness for the fog light, you have to unplug it first. There's a little clip right here. All you gotta do is press it down and pull it out. Once that's done, all you gotta do is turn the assembly counterclockwise, pull out the bulb. Now with the new bulb in here, we're just going to stick it back in the socket, turn it clockwise, and reattach the harness. Dull and soft lighting. That's what makes a vehicle look old, and with a 5-minute facelift, you can make your vehicle look relevant in 2024. Join us next time on Garage Matters, and remember to hit that like and subscribe button.